Do you have an hour for makeup every morning? I do not. That's why I create this simple everyday no makeup look in just 5 minutes. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Kelly and let's get started. First, for this makeup look, I'm gonna skip a lot of products, but concealer is a staple. The concealer I'm gonna use today is the e.l.f. Flawless Brightening Concealer in Light. It has a medium coverage and a natural finish, so I love it for days I don't wear foundation. I prefer using my fingers for the concealer, as the warmth of the fingers helps melt and blend the product into the skin easier. I also put a little bit on my eyelids, around my nose and my chin to even out any discolorations. Normally, I would use a damp beauty blender to blend out the concealer even more and take away any excess product. But with this concealer, it is very thin and lightweight. I don't have to do that. Next, I'm gonna use the NYX Thickest Thickening Brow Gel Mascara. It's a tinted brow gel that works super quick and makes my brows look really naturally filled in. Only a few swipes and done. It helps me save a lot of time to fill in my brows. It's not sticky and keeps my brows stay in place pretty well. For someone who has very short, straight and bare lashes, lash color and mascara are must-haves. They help my lashes look more visible. I quickly curl my lashes and the mascara I'm using today is the MakeWaves mascara from the Tower 28. This mascara does a good job on keeping my lashes look very natural, separating them well, and it doesn't clump up on me. For blush, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camo liquid blush in shade Dusty Rose. It is a warm pink blush which can be flattering on various skin tones. It's very pigmented but easy to blend out. I just need a little bit of product. It looks very natural and perfect for a no makeup look. Unlike the concealer, I prefer to apply the cream blush with a big blush brush as I'm working on wider areas. It can blend out the product faster than my fingers. This blush also has a dewy finish which gives me the highlighting effect, so I can skip using a highlighter. Last but not least, I'm gonna put on this lip oil from Summer Friday to finish the look. The shade is Blush Dreams. This is kind of my lips but glossier. If I have more time, I would use a lip liner underneath to give it a little bit more color and longevity. But I want to keep everything simple. I'm okay with just the lip oil alone. And here's my everyday simple and quick no makeup look in just 5 minutes or less. It depends on my mood that day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.